guys, Mr. Hood here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to do a drawing. It is going to be a cartoon, but it's going to be something a little bit different. You've heard a lot about the coronavirus, the COVID19. And it's a big, bad, scary virus that's affecting lots of families and mom and dad's work and brother and sister school and even your own lives. And it's really kind of hard to understand when you don't know what it looks like, you don't understand it, other than it's a big, bad, scary thing. So we're going to remove the big, bad, scary thing and we're going to make it into something easy and funny and something to put an image to, and it's going to be a cartoon, and so let's get started. Usually I'll have you start with a simple shape like a circle. In this case, this virus is actually a circle. So start with that. Now you should be doing ghost lines again so you can erase. I'm going to draw a little bit darker so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to try and pull a screenshot so you can actually see what the CDC has given us in terms of what the virus actually looks like. But basically it is a sphere, so it's a round object, and it has these things that stick off on the outside of it. But to make it nice and simple, I'm just going to draw a quarter size little circle here, and I'm going to connect it to the main body. And then we're going to do it again. So here's the basic outward shape, and there's a few other things that we have to add. One of them is on the inside of every virus is genetic material. In this case, it's RNA. And now I'm going to make it just very simple, just like that. Now, there's also things on the outside in addition to these. I'm going to make them look like this. So there's lots and lots of fancy scientific words like glycoprotein spikes, which are these big guys. But we're just going to call them spike. There's also these things that are called HEs, or hemagglutinin esterase. Those are these little guys right here. Now there's also a membrane protein, and that basically is this outside wall right here, and then in the middle is its genetic material, is the RNA. But we don't need to worry about all this stuff. Because some of it's just really confusing. The virus attacks your cells and tells it to make more copies of the virus, and then that's what makes you sick. This is a cartoon, and so it's not supposed to be a perfect replica or a scientific diagram or anything like that. And as a cartoon, we need to add a few things. For one, eyes of some sort. And since this is a bad boy, I'm going to put bad boy sunglasses on him. It also means that I probably want to move this RNA swirl and make it actually look like a nose. And since he's not a very nice guy, I'm going to give him a frown. So there's other things that a virus has as far as the way it looks. But for our purposes, he's just not a very nice guy. And so it's about time to do our coloring. And so grab your coloring stuff and let's get to it. So there's lots of stuff that we can learn about viruses, and I'm just an art teacher, but this is what I figured that we could do as a group. This is COVID-19. Bad guy. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you learned something. Keep drawing, and I'll see you next time.